In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew. Her name was Amara. She was young, beautiful, and powerful. A billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from determination and sleepless nights. But behind her wealth was a wounded heart. For years, Amara had loved a man she trusted. She paid his bills, funded his dreams, and stood by him when he had nothing. Then one evening, the truth shattered her world. The man she loved had gotten another woman pregnant. Made a bold decision. She packed simple clothes, left her luxury cars behind, and traveled to a quiet village far from the city. There, Amara became someone else. She introduced herself as a former house help who lost her job in Lagos. No makeup.
These African folktales videos are going viral on YouTube. And in the next few minutes, I will teach you how to create African folktale videos with free AI tools. Whether you are using a phone or a laptop, these free tools works for both devices. Now let's go straight to the video.
Now, the first thing you need to do once you want to create your African folktale stories is to have a perfect script or prompt. So now we are going to go over to ChatGPT. So I normally use ChatGPT. I give ChatGPT my story. I don't allow ChatGPT create stories for me because ChatGPT can create story for me, and I don't like the stories that ChatGPT created for me. So I normally have a story on my head. I can use any story, maybe something that happened around me or something that happened before, or something that is currently trendy. I can use any of those stories, pick a title from it, then I give it to ChatGPT. Then I'm going to tell ChatGPT to generate a prompt for me. So this is the prompt that I gave to ChatGPT. So you can copy it and use it to create your own prompt. So I said, I want to create a story for my African folktale YouTube channel. I want you to write the story in different scenes and script. It should be written in a novel-like manner. The title is Billionaire Lady Disguised to Find a Good Husband. The lady is a Nigerian beautiful lady who is a rich business lady in the city. She broke up with a guy she has been spending her money on after finding out he got another girl pregnant. And he went to the village dressed like she was an house help. She was a house help. So let me correct that part. She was a house help in the city, and she started farming. She finally met a guy who later, she started farming in the village. So you need to correct all these things. She finally met a guy who later loved her genuinely in the village. You must put that part, in the village. In the village. On their wedding day, the guest's house was full with different luxury cars, and the man was shocked, and they finally went to the city together, and she made the poor farmer rich. Now, I told ChatGPT, now firstly, I want you to create a voice-over script or prompt for this story video. Put it in a box so I can copy. So we are just going to send this to ChatGPT and see what it's going to give to us. Now let's see what it gave to us. So it gave us in different scenes. So the first one, let me just read this first one. In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired, but few truly knew her name was Amara. She was young, beautiful, and powerful, a billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from determination and sleepless nights. But behind her words was a wounded heart. For years, Amara had loved a man she trusted. She paid his bills, funded his dreams, and stood by him. So you see, so this is really, really long. Then we're just going to copy it because I want the video to be a little bit long. We'll just copy it. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to create a voiceover for this, like an audio for this particular video. So we're just going to go over to this app called Clipchamp. So note that Clipchamp, you can use it with they only allow you when you have a laptop or a PC, but I'm going to be showing you how you can use it with your smartphone. So what you are going to do is to come over to this top side. Make sure you click on desktop site. So okay, mine is already on desktop site. So I'll put it on desktop site. Now once you put it on desktop site, another thing you should do is to turn your phone to a landscape mode, like turn it like this. Turn it like this. So your phone should be like this. So if it is not like this, you'll not be able to use the app, because it's normally the app is supposed to be used on a laptop or a PC. Now what you are going to do, you are going to come over here where they wrote continue with Microsoft. Note that you can only use your Microsoft account, so you can use any of your email account as your Microsoft account. So you're just going to click on that part, continue with Microsoft. So you're going to let it load. Now I just click on my email account. So if you encounter this problem, don't worry. So see what they are saying. They are saying unsupported device. Now see what you will do. Once you are seeing this unsupported device, it means they are telling you that you cannot use phone. So you just come over here again to this point, click on it again, remove it from desktop site. Remove it from, if you have a system, you don't have a problem with this. So remove it from desktop site and come back to it, desktop site again. Now once you do that, it's going to open for you. Now you can see I'm signing in. So this is just how you do it. So you can see. So all you are just going to do is to come over here and click on create a new video. So this particular site is free. I normally use it for free. So you're just going to click on create a new video. Then you're going to let it load. So once you click on create a new video, you are going to come over to this down part and look for text to speech. Before that, you come over here, this point, you click on record and create. Record and create. You're just going to scroll down, you will see text to speech. Click on text to speech. Now this is it. Once you click on text to speech, you're going to come over to this side. Now once you click on this top side, it's going to open this place for you where they wrote text to speech English. So my own is already on English Nigeria. So if you are not a Nigerian or you don't want to use a Nigerian voice, you can change it. So these are the two voices we have for English Nigeria. We have Ezine and the other name, I think Abi or something like that. So I'm going to be using a female voice, which is Ezine. So you can decide to hear it first. Now the next thing I'm going to do in this place, this particular box, I'm going to paste the prompt that I copied just now. I'm going to paste it. So I'm just going to hold it, then click on paste. So I just pasted it. I just want to remove this part that says the end. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to come over here and click on save. So you are going to wait for it to save. Now once it's finished saving, you're just going to play it.
Title: Billionaire Lady Disguised to Find a Good Husband. Scene 1: The Broken Heart in the City. In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew. Her name was Amora. She was young, beautiful, and powerful. A billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from determination and sleepless nights. But behind her wealth was a wounded heart. For years, Amora had loved a man she trusted.
So that's how
she paid his bills, funded his dreams, and stood by him.
So that's how you generate it. Now once you are done, you are going to come over to this place. So you're going to come over to this place, click on it. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you to this place so that we can see this part where they wrote export. Now you're going to click on export. Now once you click on export, you're going to come over to this 480p. So you click on 480p. And you're just going to title your video. Yes, it's a video here. So you're just going to type Amara. Just put any title, Amara, the rich lady. You can just put any title that you want to put. Now once you are done, you are going to let it load. As you can see, it's loading. So you are going to let it load for some time. Then once it is done, it will save to you. Start seeing that it's downloading. So once it has finished downloading, you will see it here. You can just click on download again. Then details, just open it. So you can see it's a 4 minutes voiceover.
Title: Billionaire lady disguised to find a good husband. Scene 1: The broken heart in the city. In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew.
Okay, so that's it. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go over to CapCut. Now once you get to CapCut, click on new project. So once you click on new project, you are going to see your video here. So it's actually a video, like it downloaded as a video. So we are going to make it audio. So we're just going to come over here and click on extract audio. We're just going to allow it to load for some few seconds. Now you can see audio extracted. So let's play it.
Title: Billionaire lady disguised to find a good husband. Scene 1: The broken heart in the city. In the heart of Lagos City lived.
So I want to edit this place. I don't want it to be showing that, seeing that scene 1 or whatever. I want it to start from in the heart of Lagos. So I'll just come here, split and delete this part. Then I'll just drag it down.
In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew. Her name was Amora. She was young, beautiful, and powerful. A billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from.
So that's it. So we are done with the voiceover that we want to use for the video. Now the other thing we are going to do is going back to ChatGPT to tell it to generate image prompts for this particular video. Now I said I want you to generate image prompts for this video. It's a 4 minutes video, or let me just say it's a 5 minutes video so that I'll have extra pictures. So I'll just give it prompt. Now see the prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. It says scene 1. A beautiful Nigerian. No, each scene is supposed to be about. Let me tell it. Each scene is 6 seconds. Now see the prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. So I think you should also add this. Let it know that each scene is 6 seconds so that it will not give you, because the scene is 40 seconds. So I'm just going to copy all this one by one. I'm going to copy all this one by one. Then I'm going to start creating the pictures or the images I'm going to be using for the for my video. So I'll just copy this one first. I can only copy 5 at a time. So I'll just copy this first 5. Then I will take it to the app I'm going to be using for this. Now the app I'm going to be using is called Meta AI. So the app I'm going to be using is called Meta AI. Now once I get to Meta AI, I'm just going to click on chat. I'll go over to chat, then I'll come over to imagine. Now I'm just going to drop the first prompt. So note that why I'm using Meta AI, because Meta AI will help you animate the image. You know, it's a story. So I'm not going to be using any other app because I feel this is one of the best apps that you can use, and it will help you animate it, and you can generate unlimited pictures. So I'm going to be dropping the first prompt here, and let's see what Meta AI is going to give to us. So we're just going to let it load. Now these are the pictures that Meta AI generated for us. So we are just going to pick one out of these pictures. So we are going to pick the most beautiful one. So we'll just pick this one, then we are going to animate it. So now you are going to come over here and click on animate. So now once you click on animate, you are going to go over to the same let me go over to the same prompt and copy the prompt. So I'll just copy the prompt. I'll come back here and paste it. So I'm just going to wait for it to generate the video for me, to animate the video for me. Now see what Meta AI did. Is this not amazing? So Meta AI generated this picture for me. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to save it. So I'm going to click on this place, then I'm going to click on save. So now you can see it's showing saved. Now once I'm done saving, I'm just going to generate all the other prompts like that, all the other pictures prompts. I'm going to generate them like that. So I'm going to copy the second one. So I'm just going to copy the second one. Then I'm going to send it. So let's see what it's going to generate for us. We're going to generate the next prompt. Now this is the next prompt. So I'm just going to download the one that looks like a Nigerian house. So I think I'll go with this. I'm just going to save it. So I'm going to download other prompts. So I'm just going to pause this video and download other prompts because I don't want the video to be too long. Then I'm going to save it. Now once you are done animating all the videos or all the images into videos, you're just going to go over to CapCut. Now once you get to CapCut, you're going to click on that project that you're already working on, that you imported your audio. Now you're just going to start adding your pictures to it.
In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew. Her name was Amora. She was young, beautiful, and powerful. A billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from determination and sleepless nights. But behind her wealth was a wounded heart. For years, Amora had loved a man she trusted. She paid his bills, funded his dreams, and stood by him when he had nothing. Then one evening, the truth shattered.
So I just noticed that some of the videos that I animated are not here. So what you're just going to do, you're just going to make sure that you add, like you reset it any place, like so that it will align with the voiceover. So you're just going to make sure that the pictures align with the voiceover. So that's it. Now you're just going to play the video and see if you have done, when you have properly done the alignments, which is both the videos and the voiceover is saying the same thing, like it's not different. So you're just going to play it and know what you have done, if it's perfect.
In the heart of Lagos City lived a woman many admired but few truly knew. Her name was Amora. She was young, beautiful, and powerful. A billionaire businesswoman who built her empire from determination and sleepless nights. But behind her wealth was a wounded heart. For years, Amora had loved a man she trusted. She paid his bills and stood by him when he had nothing. Then one evening, the truth shattered her world. The man she loved had gotten another woman pregnant. Made a bold decision. She packed simple clothes, left her luxury cars behind, and traveled to a quiet village far from the city. There, Amora became someone else. She introduced herself as a former house help who lost her job in Lagos.
So this is it for how to create your African folktales movie. Now what you are just going to do is to export it. You're just going to click on export. Now you are going to let it export. Once you are done exporting the video, now you can post it on your Faceless YouTube channel.
If you watch this video to this time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.